I invite you now on an extraordinary journey that will help you release all blockages, heal your body and mind, and fill your heart with gratitude and strength. Right now, you have the opportunity to give yourself time for deep relaxation and space for healing. Allow this meditation to guide you into a profound state of peace, where your body can restore harmony and your subconscious can reveal the path to health. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to fully relax. Now let's begin. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep, calm breath in. Slowly release the air. Feel how, with each breath, your body begins to relax. Inhale and exhale. All tension slowly dissolves, just like mist dispersing in the sunlight. Your eyelids are becoming heavier. The muscles of your face are relaxing. Your shoulders drop freely. Your hands become warm and pleasantly heavy. With each breath, you are drifting deeper and deeper into a state of peace and relaxation. Imagine that you are descending down 10 soft steps. Each step down takes you into an even deeper state of relaxation. 10, 9, 8. You feel more and more peaceful. 7, 6, 5. Your body is now completely relaxed. 4, 3, 2, 1. You are now in a state of deep hypnosis, open to positive, transformative suggestions. Imagine that above you appears a powerful, swirling vortex of energy. It is a vortex of light, pulsating with golden, silver, and blue hues. Its movement is harmonious, powerful, yet gentle at the same time. Slowly, very slowly, it begins to descend, wrapping you in its power. With each rotation, it absorbs everything that no longer serves you. All blockages, tension, illness. You feel as the vortex of energy passes through your head, cleansing your mind of all negative thoughts, as if a powerful wave of light is washing over your brain, removing fatigue, chaos, anxiety. The vortex moves lower through your neck, shoulders, chest, and you feel a pleasant warmth and deep relaxation. Everything that was tense is now dissolving, lifted by the light. Now the vortex flows through your abdomen, cleansing all internal organs. You may feel a gentle tingling, a wave of warmth, or perhaps a cool breeze. This energy is working exactly where it is needed most. The vortex moves lower, through your hips, thighs, knees, down to your feet. Your entire body is now cleansed. Every cell is breathing light, filling with new, healthy energy. You remain in this harmony, in this peace, in this pure energy. Just breathe. Feel your heart. Feel its warmth. In your heart, light awakens. The light of gratitude, gentle, warm, radiant. With each breath, this light becomes brighter and brighter. First, it illuminates your entire chest. Then, it flows into your shoulders, hands, wrapping around your head, spreading through your abdomen, your legs. Now, your entire being is pure gratitude. The light radiates outward, illuminating your future, bringing healing, peace, love. Every cell in your body is radiating this light. You feel how gratitude fills you completely. And you know that you are healthy, you are free, you are happy. Your subconscious is now remembering this transformation. With every day, with every moment, your body is healing itself. Your energy is pulsing with health. Your thoughts are calm and positive. Now, take a moment to feel what it is like to be healthy, to be strong, to be free. Allow yourself to fully experience this feeling. I will leave you now so you can remain in this silence and gratitude. And when I return, we will come back to full awareness. When you touch your heart, you will feel a surge of health. You will feel strength. And you will remember that you are healthy, that your body is strong and full of harmony. And now, slowly, you begin to return. But this state of gratitude, health, and strength stays with you. I will count from 1 to 5, and you will return to full awareness, feeling wonderful. 1, you feel lightness in your body. 2, awareness returns to you. 3, you feel pleasant refreshment. 4, you slowly move your fingers. And 5, you open your eyes. You are healthy. You are full of strength. You are yourself. Your subconscious already knows how to guide you toward health and harmony. From now on, every cell in your body pulses with life and strength. Each day, you feel better, healthier, and more energized. Gratitude and peace fill your heart, bringing you inner harmony. Your thoughts are clear, positive, and supportive, always directed towards good. Your body knows how to regenerate, heal, and restore balance. You are healthy, you are strong, you are free. Thank you for taking this journey with me. May this state of peace and healing stay with you for a long time. When you are ready, return to reality, remembering that you always have this power within you.